Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the background image of your picture, right? So before we dive into this video, I'll urge you to subscribe if you are new here and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you get the notification on your phone, right? So let's start by opening Opera Mini browser. There are several browsers that you can use, but I prefer using Opera Mini. Right, so it search for remove paging as I have already typed in the search bar. So click enter. Let's wait for it to open the page. Right, so you see www.removepaging.com. Right, so I'll click on that website, and then it will take you to this particular website here. As you can see, this particular icon here. When you drag this icon leftward like this, you see gradually it will change the background image. As you can see, and when you drag it rightward like this, you see the original image is gonna come. So this is how we are going to change our background image. Right, so you come to the top here and click on upload. Go to your internal storage here, and then you select the image that you want to remove. Right, so this is how it is. Yes, so this is the original background and this is the removed background. Right, and at this point you can also make your choice to edit the image by uploading a new background from here. So if you want to change the background, you can go for any color that you want. As in this case, let me use this color. Yes, or you can also upload a new background from your gallery. So you click on upload and select that particular background that you want.
It's me.
Right, so in my case, I will select this background for instance. Right, so as you can see, it has automatically changed the background. Right, and you want to also, if you want to make the background gray, you can select gray as you can see on this down section here, the first one. You can gray the background, or you can also maintain the original one as you can see here. And then when you are done, you can make any adjustment to your picture by clicking on erase or restore. Like this particular section here, you can click on it and then you erase or you restore anything that you want. Now when you are done, you click on that arrow pointing down at the left upward corner of your screen. Right, so you click on it, it will generate the download tab automatically, and then you click on download, then you download the image. So the image will save in your gallery. As you can see, this is what we have done.